This was one of the hand workouts I used to rebuild my speed after 6 months off. But then it became this monster fill. And not just one fill, a whole language of fills, all in the same vein. Today, you'll learn the exact building block of that language and make people say, "What the hell was that?" Let's go. We all know how killer inverted doubles are, Steve Gadd style. You know, that ghosty, slinky, smooth roll vibe. So, as part of my getting my hands back routine, I wanted an inverted doubles exercise that would let me pull off any inverted doubles groove or fill I came across and let me improvise freely with them in 30-second notes. This is what I came up with. As that ends with the left hand, you'll be all set to launch into some blazing single strokes. Here's the plan. We'll build this together in 16th notes first, across 3 tempos. Then we'll drop a gear, take it to 30-second notes, and it's there where we'll turn this into a fill that grabs attention without wrecking the groove. This is genuinely one of the most asked about things that I play. Let's break it down slowly at 60 BPM in 16th notes. Nice one. Now you know the pattern. Let's jump to our intermediate tempo of 140 BPM. Okay, and now for the advanced tempo. As you enter this tempo, make sure to bring the doubles right down. Make sure they're really quiet and smooth. That's what really makes this thing pop and gives it that beautiful inverted double roll vibe. All right, now, here's where this thing really comes alive. Let's shift everything to 30-second notes so we can fit it all in one bar. So doubling the rate of speed, but accommodating for that by having our goal tempo at 100 BPM. Great, so check out how this simple pad exercise can turn into a monster 30-second note fill. If you dug this video, check out Speed Lab 2. That was the first exercise in this getting my hands back routine and also can translate into many a sick fill as well. Comment, subscribe, and if you'd like to see more, check out the online school waitlist in the description below. We're getting a healthy chunk of you in there right now, which I am absolutely delighted to see. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.